Being a teacher is more than just giving out lectures. We inspire students to be the best version of themselves. That's why I chose the Faculty of Education with an international curriculum. Through the School Experience program, we get to observe real classrooms with real student-teacher interactions. We closely watch how experienced teachers deliver lessons in a more engaging teaching approach. But it doesn't just stop there. We also get the chance to assist the teacher. Until finally, actually teach and conduct our own class. This program has given me a significant first-hand experience of becoming a teacher. Quality education begins with the proper training of educators, and I'm glad I got to experience the best one.